Okay, so this is Brentwood Pipeline. We're in the 3D printing office bathroom here, and we're about 75 feet out to the physical therapy bathroom here. You can see that water running. That is from the bathroom sink in the physical therapy office. So we just got done hydrojetting this cast iron pipe to remove a large loose chunk of cast iron that was in the line. It was causing an obstruction. We had to flush out a bunch of loose scale buildup. Looks to me like there might be a belly in the line. Water running somewhere else that I'm not aware of, which can be likely.